In this video, we will be discussing ways to name geometric figures, specifically a line, an angle, and a triangle. We will start with the line. So now, you will notice that there are arrows at the end of the line, meaning it goes on forever and ever, making it a line, not a line segment. We can call it line AB, because 2 points determine a line. We can also call it line BA. It doesn't matter which order the points are in. We can also call it line L. Generally, you'll notice that lines named with a single letter, are in cursive, just convention. Now let's go to the angle. So this, you'll notice that there's one angle coming off this vertex C. Since there's one and only one, there's no ambiguity if we just call it angle C. We could also call it angle DCE. We could also call it angle ECD. We could also call it angle 5, which is a very useful way to name an angle. Now, what if we were to put another ray off of vertex C, and we'll call it F for that point right there. Now we cannot say angle C anymore because there's some ambiguity. Are we talking about angle FCD, angle DCE, or angle ECF? All of those. So we have to name with 3 points each angle that we want. However, another thing we could do is put a 4 right there, because if I say angle 4, there's no ambiguity between angle 4 and angle 5. Now let's go to the triangle. First, the naming of the triangle. That is triangle FGH. We could also call it triangle GFH. Any combination of the 3 vertices is fine. Next, let's go to the naming of the sides of the triangle. So one tick mark meaning this thing. So that is either GF or FG. And you'll notice that I put line segments here, not lines, indicating that these are line segments and not lines. Now let's go to this side. That is GH or HG. Again, line segment indicator over it. The third side, we can call that FH or HF. Either way is fine. Now, what are 4 ways to name angle G? This angle right here with vertex G. You could call that either angle G. You could call that angle FGH. You could call it angle HGF. Or you could call it angle 8. Any of those is fine. And those are the basics of naming lines, angles, multiple angles, and triangles. There will be other figures coming up, circles, quadrilaterals, things like that. They will generally be made up of line segments, angles, things like that. So now you know the basics of how to do it.